Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 815 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Nexo has partnered with MasterCard for the launch of the Nexo card. FIS has teamed with Fireblocks to accelerate crypto adoption, and DeFi Technologies subsidiary Valor has been approved for Swiss VQF membership. Just before we get into today's show, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so digital assets firm Nexo has announced the official launch of the Nexo card. This is described as a first-of-its-kind crypto-backed MasterCard card in select European markets. MasterCard, by the way, trades on the NYSE under the ticker MA. In addition to MasterCard, Nexo has also partnered with embedded payment solutions firm DPocket for the Nexo card. DPocket is rendered DI Pocket. Anthony Trenchev, the co-founder and managing partner at Nexo, comments, quote, "Launching the Nexo card in Europe in partnership with MasterCard and DPocket is a big milestone for us and the latest proof of the immense synergy between the existing financial network and digital assets. This unique product will allow millions of people, first in Europe and then worldwide, to spend instantly without having to give up the potential of their cryptocurrencies, thus offering unprecedented everyday utility from the emerging asset class." End quote. FIS, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker symbol FIS, has teamed with blockchain security service provider Fireblocks to accelerate crypto adoption within the capital markets industry by enabling firms of all types to access the largest crypto trading venues, liquidity providers, lending desks, and decentralized finance or DeFi applications. Nasser Qadri, the head of capital markets at FIS, said, quote, "As digital currencies become more mainstream, capital markets firms will greatly benefit from a single destination that helps them manage many classes of digital assets. This exciting new agreement is a proof point of our commitment to invest in growing our digital asset capabilities for our global client base." End quote. Lastly for today, Valor Inc., the wholly owned subsidiary of DeFi Technologies Inc., which trades on the OTC as DEFTF, focusing on digital asset exchange-traded products, has been approved for a Swiss VQF membership through the Switzerland-based DeFi Europe. Tommy Franson, the CEO of Valor, explained, quote, "We see a tremendous amount of development across the broker landscape with continued adoption and demand for ETPs, that's exchange-traded products, and digital assets. In addition to ETPs, the most innovative brokers are searching for the possibility to offer crypto directly to their clients. With our state-of-the-art infrastructure already in place, in combination with the transparency and trust that is a guiding principle for us at Valor, we see this as our next phase to leverage our existing operations that will enable us to support our counterparts." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.